Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can add a contact/roster to your SharePoint page. So maybe you want to be able to advertise your team so that people can easily see, okay, this person's a part of the team, this person's a part of the team. And then when they click on that contact tile, it actually gives them the contact information for that person. So to add this, all we have to do is come over to Edit, and then choose where we want to add it. So we'll put it right here. And the web part is actually called People. So once we type in people, we can go ahead and we can search the names of the different people from your organization. The only two I can remember that we added were myself and Brad Pitt. So once we have these on here, we can go ahead and we can choose how we want it to show up. So do we want it to look like this? Do we want it to be large? Do we want to have these huge contact forms where we can add profile links and descriptions for people? So that's an option. Or do we want it just to be a little bit smaller? Once it's in place, though, we can make additional changes to it. So we can either choose to add the title or not add the title. We can change the title here just by clicking. And I think everything looks good, though. So let's go ahead and click on it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like from the user's perspective. So once they see the contact option there, we can go ahead and click on it, and then they'll see my profile. So if they come over to contact, they can see like my email. If you have a phone number on there, they can see that. So it's just a cool shortcut to be able to advertise the members on your team and then give your customers additional outlets or additional tools to be able to contact yourself and then other members within your organization or on your team.